Hi, my name's Milton Van Kuren. I've been at King Industries for 44 years. I was 21 years old when I started at King. Back in the 80s, we put K-Flex together from scratch. We built all the tanks. We used to build all our own tanks at King at one time. That was a big deal. It's still running today. So for the last 40 years, so that's good. Mr. King, he's amazing. Oh, we were side by side. He was our engineer. Yeah, we did a lot of crazy jobs that he wanted to do back in the day, building different things that nobody could build, and we built them. So with his knowledge, My brother, Harold, became the lead machinist. Oh, we got a great relationship. He likes working with me here at King, he really does. I want to remember that, hey, Milt did a lot of hard work here. He put almost every piece of pipe and steel into this plant between me and the small crew that I had. Thank you to the King family for giving me a great career. But I'm 66 now, and maybe another year, depends on my wife. She wants me to retire, but I love working. I love coming to King every day, so, it's a good company. So.